Parents, here are a few reasons why you should enroll your child in a vacation school. Long breaks cause kids to forget key skills. Kids stay in a learning mindset when they attend vacation school. Those who have fallen behind get the extra help they need. Missing learning gaps are filled. There's an easy transition to the next grade. Advanced learning is also encouraged. Children meet new friends and enjoy the balance of learning and fun. Now that you know these little tips, enroll your child in a vacation school.